Can you tell? It's been here. Nicely fixed. Beautiful. Hello, welcome to my sewing tutorial. In today's video, I would like to teach you how to fix hole in jeans. What we're gonna need is a needle with a thread and a knot on the end, and also interfacing scissors and iron. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's start with the stitch at the corner of that rib. So this is the easiest way to repair that hole. And then we can go either direction, this or that. So I'm gonna go this way. Just keep grabbing a little bit on each side, not too much. So make sure you fold everything in. So a little bit on each side and get as close to that rib as you can, so the hole, so it will be nice and flat. So that's gonna be like almost invisible. Make a knot at the left side, because you don't want that to unstitch, so make sure you secure that stitch. So a couple times, make a loop and then run the needle through it, and then cut. And then we're gonna work on the other side, so exactly the same on the other part of the hole. So you're gonna repeat the same process also on the other line. So make sure you fold everything in, work it out, so it will be nice and flat as possible, and get as close to that rib as you can, so the hole get as invisible as possible. So that's gonna be like almost invisible. Well, not invisible, but hard to see that it did have that big hole. I'm going to continue with the stitch. After I finish this, the hole will be hard to see. And this technique, it's quite easy to do, and it's pretty fast as well. So now I'm gonna get the needle to the other side, to the left side of these pants. Make a knot again to secure the stitch. So go through the loop, pull, and repeat. That's good. And now I'm going to get a pressing board. I have a small pressing board for sleeves, so that's gonna work very well, and a hot iron plus the interfacing with adhesive only on one side. So this is the side that the adhesive is applied, and I'm going to apply the adhesive side of the interfacing on top of the fabric. So this way, this fabric will stick to the jeans. So cut any excess jean, the fabric. Now press it to make sure it's nice and flat. So adhesive goes directly to the left side of the fabric to cover the stitch. Perfect. That looks great, amazing. That's where it is. Nicely fixed. Give me a thumbs up if you like this repair, so there is no more hole in my jeans. It's very nicely fixed. Anybody can do it. I hope you enjoy my video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit the bell button so you will get more sewing tutorials from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.